Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share our project called MailPilot, an advanced email management system that lets you easily send bulk and promotional emails to your clients. First, let's go ahead and create our account so we can get started. Our account has been created successfully, but we need to verify it before continuing. We have now received our verification email. Simply click the Verify button, and your account will be successfully verified. We've logged in successfully, and this is our dashboard. To continue using MailPilot, we first need to set up our SMTP servers, which will be used to send emails. Here, you'll find a complete guide on setting up your SMTP servers, along with instructions for configuring Gmail SMTP if you don't already have a server. Now, let's add our first SMTP server. You can add as many servers as you need, since some users manage multiple pages or business promotions, and MailPilot allows you to add them all here. Now, let's add the client email addresses to whom we want to send our mails. This is our inbox section where all our sent emails will be shown here. This is the compose section where users can send their emails. First, they need to select the server they want to use, then choose the clients, either sending individually or in bulk. These are the placeholders that can be used in emails to include details like client name, email, and more. This way, when sending bulk emails, each client's information can be added automatically. For now, we will use the client name placeholder. Here's how you can use placeholders. They will automatically insert the client's name into the subject or body of the email. You can send any attachments also if you want. Our email has been sent successfully. As you can see, the client's name has been automatically inserted into the emails. The client has successfully received their email. Now let's try sending bulk emails. I've added 2 clients. As you can see, our emails have been sent successfully. Now let's send a promotional email. You can either design it yourself or use any HTML CSS template. I've already created a HTML CSS template. Let's copy the code and try this. To use a template design, first click on the code button in the top bar, then paste your code, and click the code button again to preview the template design. This is our HTML template design. I've already added the client name placeholder, so it will automatically insert each client's name into the emails. Our promotional email has been sent successfully. This is how the client will receive the HTML template emails. This is how the client will receive the HTML template emails. Thank you for watching this MailPilot tutorial. I hope you now have a clear idea of how to set up servers, add clients, and send both bulk and promotional emails with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates. See you in the next video.